We're continuing on with the budget line, but now what we're going to talk about is something called real income. Real income. Real income is going to tell us the quantity of a good that a household can afford to buy. And our real income is going to be found at these intercepts. So real income tells us if we used all of our income for this particular good, how many of that good can I buy? So we're going to find on the intercepts what our real income is. So our real income in terms of pizza, we would find at this intercept. So our real income in terms of pizza would be 5 pizzas. That's the most pizza I can afford with my income, and that's what real income means. We don't care if we have, $70. What we care about, how many pizzas can I get for my $70? So we're going to say that the real income is going to be shown by this intercept. So our real income in terms of milk is going to be found on this axis. What is the most milk I can afford given my current income? So it's going to be 10 gallons of milk. Okay, so real income, like I said, is going to be telling us how much of a particular good we can afford with our income, the maximum that we can get. We could also calculate real income. So if we're going to calculate real income, what we would do is we would use a formula. We're going to say that our income is going to equal the price of a good times the quantity. Okay, if we have a certain amount of income, that would be our income. The price of the good is here, and how many we can buy is there. So if we want to figure out our real income, we would say if the price of pizza is $10, okay, we know the price of pizza, and let's say we know income is $50. Okay, we could then use that information to solve for Q, which is really going to be our real income. What's the most we can buy given our income? So here we're going to have, times the Q. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide by $10 on both sides. So we're going to have the Q, which is my real income in terms of pizza, is going to be 5. 5 is the most I can buy with my given income. You would have to have been given the income and the price of the good to be able to calculate real income in this circumstance. We could also do it for milk. So our formula for the real income, which again is really just the Q portion here, is going to be our income divided by that price. So if we knew that our real income, if we knew that our income was $50, and let's say that the price of milk is $2, then we would know that our real income in terms of milk would be 25 gallons. Okay, wouldn't that be nice if milk actually cost $20 or $2? But anyway, so you get the idea. So we take real income is equal to our income divided by the price. That's going to tell us how much of a particular good that we can buy if given that income. Okay, and that's our real income.